Yo, the croissant mistress. Turn around. Ooh, it looks gorgeous.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Don't worry. Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I do the retwist on my client's hair. I actually started her locks about 4 months ago, December 2023, and this is April 2024. That's exactly like 4 months. Yeah, that's like 4 months ago, and I did her locks using the comb twist method. This is her third retwist after her first appointment. That is, plus the first appointment is the fourth time for the locks, and her locks are thriving. As you can see, it's almost locked up, but the bottom part, due to water and probably some other reasons, the first row seemed to always unravel. You just have around the tips of the locks a little bit locked up, but from around her ears upward to the front is already all locked up. So one thing about locks is it helps to maintain your hair growth, and she was beginning to get stressed out because she felt like her hair wasn't growing long enough. I remember the first time I met her, I actually did like knotless braids and box braids for her before she decided to lock her hair. And I had to ask, like, did you cut down your hair? What's wrong? She said she doesn't know. It just really wouldn't grow longer or something. So I'm just gonna give like a few tips on how to maintain your locks and keep your natural hair. One thing about locks, it helps to maintain your hair growth, and this is because you stress your hair less. You don't do a lot of braiding and dragging and having different people braid and drag your hair. The strands are at rest. You only retwist when you have to. You moisturize as much as you need to, and your hair is left alone, is left to breathe, which is very important. Oxygen is important, water is important, and oil is important for your hair. So the three tips for maintaining your hair moisturized and good looking locks is: number one, just make sure you keep your hair moisturized and oil as often as needed. I say as often as needed because some people don't have, their hair is not as dry, or their scalp is not as dry as others. Personally, I have dry skin, so my scalp could dry out a lot, and I have very thick hair. But my client's hair is coily, her scalp is not very dry. A little moisture could go a long way for her. You could decide to moisturize 3 times a week, every day, or however you feel your hair needs moisture. And also put into consideration the seasons of the year. That's different times of the year, during the winter, during the summer, what works best for you. Some people get drier, their skin get drier during the winter, and for some other people, strangely, that happens during the summer. For me, I haven't really taken note of that really, but for me, during the summer, my skin gets darker, and during the winter, I get lighter. So put all of that into consideration, and also the products you're using to be able to help you with that. The second point is always wear a hair bonnet or a scarf before bedtime. This will help you to prevent dryness. That's just me flipping through my notes. This will help you to prevent dryness, which can lead to breakage and prevent your hair from looking more frizzy than it should. We all know that locks can naturally look frizzy, if we're being honest. So it's not like that's how it's supposed to look, okay? Because it's not like some braids that you use some silky braiding hair to hide your braids or protect your braids in. This one's your natural hair, so you need to treat it as such. Moisturize it, make sure it's kept very well. And then the third point, leave your hair alone. Don't do too much. And don't forget to subscribe and engage on my posts for more tips in hair and makeup. Cheers. I'll see you in another video, and thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more hair videos instead of makeup videos, please let me know in the comment section. If this was helpful, let me know, and let me know what other videos you'd like to see. Toodles. The croissant mistress. Turn around. Ooh, it looks gorgeous.
Oh, dang croissant.
Don't worry, we're not gonna see your croissant.
So,
Could you bend your head forward? Yay.